and welcome back to the third and final instalment of our unloved car cleaning series. So we've done what we can on the outside, we've made it look super glossy and it's nice and protected. So let's delve into the interior. By far my least favourite part of detailing a car, but it needs to be done, and this is very much unloved, which is the whole theme of this video. So for this video we've got some key products that we're going to be using, not only to clean, protect and also give some freshness to the interior. So to start with, we've got the heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner. This is great on all surfaces, but we're going to be using it on the kind of lower dash and around the door sills. The carpet interior cleaner, obviously we're going to be using it on the carpets and the cloth seats. We have our new Car Scent Protectant. This is going to be used on the dashboard to give it some nice UV protection, because obviously this car spends a lot of its time sat on the drive. We have our glass cleaner here, our Perfect Clarity glass cleaner. Now we haven't covered glass cleaning in the previous video, so we're going to show you how to effectively use this product on the inside and the outside of your glass. Then to finish off, Air Refresher Fiji Sunset. This is going to go through the AC system, deodorize the filters and leave it with a fresh smell. So now we've hoovered the car out, we're ready to start actually cleaning and prepping the interior. So I'm going to start with our heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner. Now this can be used on several areas of the interior. It could be the inner door shuts, it could be the bottoms of the seats, and it can be the door cars. Pretty much anywhere you can see that needs cleaning, you can use with the heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner. Next up we have our carpet and interior cleaner. I'm going to be using this on the seats, the carpets and the seat belts. So next up, using the new Car Scent Protectant. Now this is going to be used on a dash to not only clean it and maintain it, but also give it that UV protection. Now the golden rule whenever using a product like this on your dash is to always spray directly to the towel, then wipe. Don't spray on the surface area because it could cause overspray. It just means more time cleaning up. So cleaning your glass can be super simple, especially when using our Supreme Shine microfiber towels and our Perfect Clarity glass cleaner. Now less really is more. Light mist the product, wipe in one direction with the towel, and then with the dry side, buff in the opposite direction. This way you'll get zero streaks on the glass. Now for the inside. On the inside, we're going to do things a little different. We're going to spray directly to the towel and just give a light wipe to the glass. This way we're not causing any overspray or any more work for you. Again, wipe one way, and then the opposite way. So to finish off this detail, we're going to be using our Fiji Sunset Air Refresher. Now the way this works is you set it off in the centre of the car and it feeds through your AC system, deodorising the filters and leaving a nice scent behind. So how we use this, I'm just going to put this in the centre of the car there. I'm going to turn the engine on. I'm going to turn on the AC and recirculation to full. And I'm going to put it to the coldest temperature we can. And then I'm going to turn the air refresher on and then walk away, leave it for 10 minutes, and then we'll show you what to do next. So now that's done the cycle, we're going to leave it for a further 5-10 minutes with the windows down just to let it air out so it's not so intense when you get back in the car. So that's it for this third and final episode of our Unloved Daily Car Care series. So in this video we've addressed the interior and how we can degrease, clean, protect and refresh using a few simple, nice and easy products and processes. So first of all, we gave the car a good kind of hoover out to make cleaning easier. We then used our heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner on the kind of lower door sections, door sills, seats and kind of any kind of plastic grubby grimy areas. We then moved on to the carpets and the seats using our carpet interior cleaner. And then with the dashboard we used our new scent protectant to clean and also give that UV protection. We talked about glass cleaner and how it can be used on the interior side and the exterior side of using your glass using our Perfect Clarity glass cleaner. And then finally we used our Fiji Sunset whole car air refresher deodorizer. This gave the car a fresh new scent without hanging air freshener, but also gave it longevity by feeding into the AC filters. So thank you very much for joining us, not only for this video, but this mini-series. If you liked it, make sure you give it that big thumbs up, subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified when the next Meguiar's video is released.